Everybody, this is Mustafa, and I'm gonna show how to bleed the rear brake on the Yamaha. Um, Here is the reservoir for rear brake fluid. Uh, Here we have the master cylinder right here. Here's the pedal that activates the master cylinder, and it's gonna push the fluid to the caliper. Here's the caliper, and here's the bleeder. And these are the tools I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need brake fluid. That's .4, so we have to double check it's .4 here on the cap. And then I need a container to collect the brake fluid, and a wrench to open the bleeder, and some kind of towel just to wipe off any brake fluid. So I'm gonna start taking the cap off and connecting the container. I'm gonna connect the container right here, because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pump the master cylinder using the pedal and open the bleeder to get the fluid out. When I do that, I gotta watch the fluid in the container. It shouldn't go below the lower level. So I'm gonna start pumping. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna pump here, 1, 2, 3, and then hold it down and open the bleeder. As I open the bleeder, look what's gonna happen here to the pedal. It's gonna go all the way down. So I'm gonna open the bleeder and then close the bleeder. So the bleeder is closed. Now I go again to the pedal and pump, 1, 2, 3, and then I go to the bleeder. I open it, and you can see here, before I release the pedal, I have to be sure that the bleeder is closed. So I'm gonna close it here. Now I gotta release the pedal and pump again, 1, 2, 3, go to the bleeder, open it, and you can see the brake fluid is coming out. And in the meantime, I'm watching the brake fluid in the reservoir. Before I release the pedal, I want to be sure that the bleeder is closed. So I'm going to close it here, and now I'll release the pedal and pump again, 1, 2, 3, go back here, release it, and be sure it's closed before I release the pedal. 1, 2, 3, and one more time here, 1, 2, 3, and now be sure it's closed. That's the brake fluid I collected. Now I have to disconnect the hose. So I'm gonna disconnect and be sure no fluid comes out, and put the cover back. Now I have to add some fluid here. Up to the maximum. Now I can put the cover back. and the work is done. Thank you guys, and I will see you in another video.